Hello, my name is Seth Caylor, and I'm with the Corpus Christi Independent School District Office of Instructional Technology. Today I'll be taking you through the Google Contacts portion of this series. So let's get Googled. To get to Google Contacts, you can go to the Apps Launcher, the group of 9 squares at the top right, click on More, or just find Google Contacts. Probably the simplest way, though, to get there is to go to the address bar and type in contacts.google.com. Press Enter. You'll have to log into Google. And once you're signed in, you're taken to Google Contacts. You'll notice that it looks a lot like Google Drive. It has a new contact button where the new button would be, and all your navigation is on the left-hand side. There are a few buttons across the top that give you some more options, but the way to get started is to click on New Group on the left-hand side. After you click New Group, you're going to want to name it. So, name it whatever you'd like. In this case, I'm using Office Staff. Then click OK. You'll notice under My Contacts now there's a group called Office Staff. Click on it once. It'll take you to that group. Now, you may want to click on the button that says Add Contact, but that's not the way to do it. What you want to do is go up to the search bar and type in the person's full name, not a nickname, but the full name, and then click on Search. After the person comes up, just double check that they have an @ccisd.us address. This lets you know that they're in our system and that they can be added to your groups. Next, click on the little button with a person with 3 little heads, or the group button. Then choose the group that you'd like to add them to, then click Apply. They're now listed in the new group. You'll notice that the office staff went up by 1. To continue, just type in the next person that you're looking for. Full name, no nicknames, and click on Search again. This time they came up in a bit of a different way, but you'll notice that as long as they have the @ccisd.us, it's the correct person. Put a check mark in, choose the Groups button, check off the group that you'd like to add them to, then click Apply. That adds them to your group. If I click on the group, it'll show me each person that I've added to that group. Let's add one more person, and then I'll show you exactly how to use it. Again, I'm going to type into the search box the next person that I'm looking for, full name, and then click on Search. After I find the name, I double check that it has @ccisd.us, check off their name, click the Groups button, check the group that I'd like them to be in, and click Apply. Now I have 3 names in my group, Office Staff. The way this would look if you're going to use it is I'm going to open up Google Drive by going to drive.google.com, and I'm going to find a document that I would be sharing with this group all at once. Once I find the document, I'm going to open it up. Make sure that it's the document that I want to share with everyone. Then in the upper right hand corner, I'm going to click on the blue Share button. When the sharing dialog box pops up, all I have to do is type in Office Staff, and you'll notice that it says Office Staff with 3 contacts. If I click on that, it automatically adds all the people listed in that group, and then all I have to do is click on Send. Now this works with students as well. So let's say I wanted to make a new group, and this is my first period class. I'm going to call it First Period, and then click on OK. Again, I'll choose the group from the left-hand side, click on First Period. This time, I'm going to be searching for students. All I have to do is put in the student's name, full name, and then click on Search. Again, I just verify that they have an @ccisd.us and that they have 3 digits after their name. I click on the Group button, click on First Period and click Apply. Let's say I wanted to add another student. Type in the student's full name, click on Search, verify that it's a student with the 3 digits in their username and the @ccisd.us, click the Group button, click First Period, and click Apply. Now if I choose the group on the left-hand side, First Period, it'll show me all the students that are in this class. If I need to remove a student, or if I did put a student in that I didn't mean, all I have to do is put a checkbox next to their name, go to the More button at the top, and choose Delete Contact. This removes them from the group. Also, if I needed to get rid of the group completely, I would click on More and say Delete Group, and my First Period group would be deleted. It'll ask me if I'm sure. I click on OK, and the group's gone. That's it.